Hello Lana, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. We are continuing with our revision. We looked at the location of a farm. Size of a farm. Now we are looking at the location of the farm. Okay. Location is the site or a place where a business operation would be established. Yes, if you want your location, a suitable location for your business, you should make proper decision to locate your farm. If you want profit, not to make loss, you will have to decide where to locate your business. You should make wise decision when locating your business. Okay, let's see the definition of location of farm. Location of farm is the site or place from which business operation or farms will be established. The management has to make appropriate decision concerning the location of the farm, since a good location will lead to success while a bad location will lead to failure. You see, if you locate your business in a suitable area, it will lead to success. If you locate your business in a bad location where there is theft, where there is no good transport and communication, it will lead to failure. Let's see factors that influence the location of farm. What factors makes a farm to be located on a certain place or a certain area? Raw materials. The availability of raw material is one of the factors that determines the location of farm. Farms should be located near sources of raw materials. What are raw materials? What do you understand by raw materials? These are goods that combine with other goods to make final product. Like I always use cotton. Cotton is used to make goods, or sisal. You can use sisal to make finished product like basket out of it. Or you can use gold. You can use gold to make gold is a raw material. You can use it to make these ornaments these women likes to wear, like these chains, whatever. Okay, farms should be located near the source of raw materials. When the raw materials are heavy, you should locate your farms near raw materials because they can be heavy, or to avoid the bulky, yes, or the high transportation costs. If the transportation cost will be high, the price of the product will have to be high. If the price of the product will be high, the market will not be buying these goods. Because we talked, the higher the price, the lower the demand. The raw materials are perishable, so as to ensure they get the farm in fresh. Okay, now the farm should be located near the raw material because in case the raw material is perishable, it should get quicker to the farm when its state is fresh. When it is far, the goods will perish. You see, the competition for raw material is high. Hence, it should be located near their sources so as to ensure it gets all raw materials it requires at all time. Yes, if you want to have competition with other farms, you should locate your farm near the raw materials so as to get these raw materials quicker and to to release your products to the market quicker. This will lead to competition. If the other farm sees you're proceeding well, they will not be feeling good. They will see you as their competitors. Or they can be seeing you as your enemy. As an enemy. Sorry. Advantage of locating a farm near sources of raw material. What are these advantages you get by locating your farm near the raw materials? The transportation of raw material minimizes. It reduces the transportation. Its storage of raw materials will be minimized. Yes, it is easier for farm to select the quality of raw materials required. Yes, so you cannot be fooled. You get fresh quality of these raw materials and good quality. Easier to get fresh raw materials and undamaged. How can they be undamaged? If the farm is near, they will not be undamaged. If the farm is far and the raw materials need to be taken from far distance away, they this these raw materials might be damaged and they might be perish at some times. Production process can run uninterrupted because of constant supply of raw material, thus continuous production. Yes, it will lead to continuous production, hence more supply will occur. Okay, labor. Human resources like labor. To acquire labor, you should locate your farm near labor where you can get skilled labor. Now you should locate your farm near the urban centers, not rural. If you want to locate your farm near urban centers, you'll get skilled labor. If you want to locate your farm near you want to locate your farm near these rural areas, you will not be able to get skilled labor, those educated people. The market. If you want to locate the farm near the market, there are many advantages. Just imagine there are so many advantages of locating the farm near the market. Like here is the market and your farm is closer to it. This will be very advantageous. It will reduce the cost of transport. Obviously, let's see the reasons of locating near the market. If the finished product is perishable, then the farm should locate near the market. Yes, so if you are finished product, you are finished making your product. Now, due to it is highly perishable, you should quickly take to the market. So you should locate the farm near the market so as to transport quick, and so the people could buy those. If the finished product is bulky, yes, if the product is bulky, you should just locate your farm near the market so as to reduce the bulkiness through transporting these goods to retailers, wholesalers to break the bulk. You see, if the finished product is bulky, the farm should locate near the market so as to avoid high cost of transport or market. Yes. If the final product is fragile from the farm should be located near the market so as to avoid losses that may result form of breakage as the product is transported to the market. Yes, so as to avoid the losses through breakage of through transporting the goods to the farm, I mean the market which is located far away. If the market is located far away and you're making fragile goods, they can break easily. You'll be incurring losses. Now you should think wisely and locate this farm near the market so these fragile goods cannot be broken. I hope you understand me. If there is completion of the farm, yes, completion of the farm should be located near the market. This will make the customer to get fast. Yes, if the if you have these goods, you want to take them quickly to these customers. It will they will get these goods fast. Where the goods is made per customer specification, the farm should be located near the market. Yes, when the product needs needs to be given information about, you should not locate it far away from the market. You should locate it near the market to create awareness about the product of it. I mean about the information about the product. Another factor, if there are some times the government gives a policy for locating a farm near the market. You might be getting that government policy. If the government orders you to locate the farm near the market, you should locate it. Okay, let's see transport and communication. You should locate your farm near where there is transport and communication. Where there is good transport and communication, a good transport or quick will lead to quicker transportation of goods and safer. Where it is required, where it is required, it will transport goods where it is required to be transported. So you should locate farm near the transport. This ensures both the raw materials and finished product can be transported with ease. A farm should locate in area where is well served by means of communication. This ensures that the farm is able to communicate with other customers and suppliers and vice versa. Poor development. Now we shall look at this. Now we have reached. We have reached to the. No, we have not reached. I have not finished this. Poor development, transport and communication facilities may lead to. Yes. What are these effects of poor transport and communication? High transport costs, especially where raw materials or finished products are bulky. Delay in receiving raw materials and distributing the finished products. Where communication network is poor, business people will not able to give information in time. Yes. You should locate your farm near the power, availability of power. Like industries require power to operate. They should therefore be located where there is electricity, and it can also say we should locate your farm where there is water to make finished product. And you should locate your farm where there is security to ensure the safety of these goods are safe and product. Where there is insecurity, the products will not be secure. Okay. I think we have explained more. Let's finish here. Lana, we shall proceed our next lesson on this chapter. Please keep in touch with our channel. We shall bring more content about business studies. Please like, share and follow to my channel. And God bless you. Have a nice day.